Hello everyone, welcome back to AWS DevOps Logistic YouTube channel. So, and last we have seen two parts, right? First part and second part we have divided, and last class is part two. In that part two, I have clearly configured about first job, second job, third job, and fourth job. So, in the first job, we mentioned so steps like what we have to configure and all. I will show you that. So let me reiterate all those things. Let me check here. Let's just click on the configure and we can see enter what are the steps we have mentioned. See here and here I mentioned here Git repository. Okay, this is actually CICD sample website. Okay, and also credentials I have seen. I've already shown you how to create it. Just simply if you want to create, just click on this add button and there should be a password, username and password you need to mention. You just simply need to select here. That's it. Okay. And what are the branches there? That branch you need to mention. Sometimes it took, you know, like master is it took default, but it should not keep like that. Whatever your branch is there, that branch you need to mention properly, and that's it. And you are here you mentioned Polesium. This is for periodic, it will trigger periodically, so you need to schedule. If you want to schedule, you just schedule it. Okay, I just kept only every minute. Okay, and that after that, and I here I mentioned post build actions. In this post build actions, I just mentioned second job, which means after finishing the first job, trigger only if builds is stable. In the sense, if the first job is success only, it will trigger the second job, otherwise no. This is what I have mentioned. In the second job, go and configure it. Okay, see here. First job is triggering continuously. It happens. Okay, because I mentioned already previous. I mentioned clearly schedule job, which means cron. Okay, so schedule job, it will always pulls the code from the GitHub. Okay, in this in the second job, let me open and show you same GitHub repository. Okay, and it will take from GitHub repository. Okay, here I mentioned ant. Okay, so what is the purpose of it? The second job, as I explained about ant, build and checking quality. That is the purpose um, we actually created second job. So it will build and it will check the quality. Then after it will trigger it to after finishing the job. If the job is stable, then it will trigger after finishing the second job. It will trigger third job. Let's see what is a third job. Third job is for testing purpose. Okay, so I you have to mention here GitHub and same branch, whatever your branch is, that you branch you need to mention. And here invoke, and here what is this? JUnit. Okay, this JUnit is actually is one of plugin. Okay, if you go manage plugins, you will get JUnit that I have already installed from the plugins. That's why I just here mentioned for the testing purpose we are using JUnit. Okay, so once after that, build other projects. In this, after finishing the third one, immediately you need to trigger the fourth one. But if the this is actually trigger only if the build is stable. If it fails, it doesn't trigger any next job. Okay, so that's why I mentioned here first third job, if success only, it will trigger fourth job. That's what. And what is the fourth job? The fourth job, as I clearly explained in the architecture, first part, so that is for deploy purpose. Okay, so here actually we are mentioning complete CICD pipelines, how it will run, how we have to link all together. Let me open this. Okay, so this is actually my Git repository in the same branch. Okay, and here I mentioned execute Windows batch command. Okay, this is the batch command I mentioned here. You can take a screenshot. And the next The next, what is here, if you see the dashboard, in this dashboard I just mentioned DevOps CI/CD pipelines. I've created. How you have to create? You just need to click on this. After this, you just need to give the name of your pipeline, and you just need to click on this radio button, build pipeline view. Then after that, you can see this view. Okay, just need to click on here. So whenever you click on this, you will see this kind of, it will not green in the initial stage, but initially it will be different color like this. But after, once you build this, if it gets success, then it will show green color. I will show you. And yeah, how we have to link in the cells. So I just mentioned in the first job I mentioned second, and second job I mentioned third, and third job I have mentioned fourth, right? Which means I have linked all together. That is actually called pipeline, which will trigger. So first job after second, second job after third, third of fourth. So it will trigger one after the other. That's how we have to create the pipeline. So let me show you how it will works. Okay, let me run here. Just there is a button here. Here you need to click on. So after finishing this, you will see this yellow color. Okay, yeah, see this. You can see once after finishing the first job, it will trigger the second job. You can see the yellow color, and after second job it will goes to third one. You can see here. Yeah, yeah, second job is succeeded properly. Yeah, third job also finished, and it is going to trigger for fourth job. Yes, yeah, fourth job. Yeah, build got success. This is how we have to configure CI/CD pipelines. This is how we will build the pipeline. Okay, so that's all for today. And this is for third part 3. This is part 3, final part. And if there is anything, I will definitely will keep continue for more about Jenkins and pipelines, and I'll also plan for the projects. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.